Mine got wrapped up all pretty, yours didn't.
Oh, it's so big.
It's already busted, dude.
Oh, yeah?
Already busted.
That shit good? Does it feel good in your mouth, big boy?
It do. Hey, come on. Come on. Put it in your mouth.
Oh, me?
Wait. Is that all you can take? No, I can keep going more. I mean, what is yours?
All right, how much money are you dropping?
All of it.
How much are we making?
Are you hungry? $1 million. Man, it fast forwards to me getting the cup.
Oh, yeah.
Yo, that's fun.
Oh, shit.
That was already off.
You're a professional. Yes, sir, and I'm stealing that shit. Bro.
We'll do those.
That one more time?
Hey, you know what's crazy? That's okay here, but if you went like to a playground, that'd be a problem.
All right, how much we win? $1 million. Tyler, how much we win?
13 cents. I'm off $200.
You're pissing people off, Pat.
Shut the fuck up.
Everyone's pissing me off. Oh,
The nice guy's mad.
On the low, cause you know I can't go. Got a best friend and an old girl and a new girl that I fuck that I didn't even know. But I'm out now, I'm rolling. I put 2 pills in the soda out to Texaco. Don't ask me what I'm holding. Doing these drugs, the part of that showbiz. Out of my mind been lately. Too much money can't make me. Pull up, damn, she naked. Damn, she naked. Out of my mind been lately. Too much money can't make me. Pull up, damn, she naked. I done lost you once, ain't tripping on getting you back. Me being down who me, I'm the best you had. The best you had.
I'm still recording the first bite.
You ruined the moment.
He always does. What do you mean?
How was that?
That's gas. That's gas.
Let's go. What's up? Bueno, entonces, amigos.
Yo. Yeah? Perfect. Thank you. Crash into the rest. Oh! Open it! Fucking tap me up! Oh fuck! Eat shit! Chug that shit! Chug it!
What's going on?
Yeah! Fuck yeah!
No seatbelt, I'm gonna fucking die.
Woo! We gotta do this at every fucking video.
Yo, do you think I can like lean out the window?
Yes. Woo. Oh, he's a fucking window demon. Sup, motherfuckers?
Yo, if you keep jumping, you can slam that bitch. Put a fucking hole in the roof.
Woo! That shit was fun.
Like 2K. There you go.
The greatest downshifters in this, but
It's good. It's all good.
can I do a mini pull?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm smooth with that.
Yeah, that was good.
All right. So how much is this tuned?
I haven't gotten a tune on it. I don't know if the previous owner tuned it. But I didn't.
Say is like, cause it pops and shit naturally. So
Yeah, I noticed that too.
Yo, give us a little more. Oh, sounds so good. Thank you. That's amazing. Yeah, circle around the fat kid. Circle around him.
Nigga, why you put the camera at me?
We got, what is it, the third time Ryan Souza is facing up against fucking Kai. Gov named Kai, bro. This shit is about to be crazy. Yo, that's Alright, this is the shopping cart rap battle between Sinful Souza and Kai. Let's see. Latest song being Webinyama. Let's go. Sinful Souza is going to be dropping his remixed album soon. It's going to be fucking fire.
Oh shit.
Hooray!
I heard your first song. I heard your first song. It was below quality, buddy.
Hold up. Hey, hear me out. Hear me
The
out.
whole goddamn
Hold
song.
up, hold up, hold up.
I ain't even a rapper,
Lay that shit down. Lay that shit down for the one time.
but I like candy. I'm in the shopping cart, but you got something on the bottom of your shoe. It says Andy. It's signed by me. My first name, Randy. What? Hold up. I'm his dad. He called me daddy.
Oh shit.
He gets on his knees.
What?
to make me happy.
Okay.
Circle around, circle around.
All right.
Just kidding. That's a gravitational pull from his fat ass. Stop. Wait. So why are you gravitating towards my meat?
What the fuck? Sitting in that car like the guy from the screen of Black Ops. Last time I checked on you, you were surrounded by black cops. Yeah. You stealing that. I'm not a rapper from Super Hot Fire.
I'm not.
You say that, I'ma light you up like I was a lighter. I rhyme hard and I rhyme fresh.
He's not a rapper though.
Your mama slaps you and then you suck on her breast.
Oh.
You still getting breastfeed like a little bitch baby.
Oh.
At this point, just call him a nigga.
You're a real wannabe Slim Shady. When they say please stand up, you should just sit down. Don't ever try to reach me when I'm in this town. I'm in Brockton, next to the Burger King.
Okay.
I'm about to roll your ass up like a pretzel and serve you some onion rings.
Round two.
Dogs. You said take a seat. I got you. I'm kind of tired and fat. I know you can relate to that. All right, round 2 starts. Okay. You never lasted that long. You never even got to round 1. Fuck.
Stupid Nick.
Fuck was your mom.
I'll say it was you.
Huh? It actually was you. Good.
You are supposed to reveal that shit. Secret, dog.
You like that?
No,
I like that.
That was hard.
That was
We didn't
hard.
like that. We did not. So, what are we doing?
Digging a hole, we reached water.
Yeah, I see that. This is interesting.
We're gonna found a new society here.
Yeah?
Can I be the president?
No.
I have
fuck
very
no.
conservative viewpoints.
No, you can't be the president. You didn't dig the hole.
No woman presidents.
True,
Just
true.
like America.
Fuck, dude.
I can be the vice president.
Yeah, that's probably right. And then what, you kill the president to become president?
If she's the president, then it's progressive. But if she's a conservative woman in the presidency, then what the fuck is it?
Well,
What the fuck?